Let me introduce myself. I planned my travel for Gangtok and Darjeeling with Mr. Arvind Pandey. He is the owner of Holiday Adda, the solution maker. The way he planned out and executed this whole itinerary was just more than awesome. You cannot expect anything more than this. We cannot even tell you what how he planned and organized everything. Starting from the itinerary, we can call him at 12, 1, 2 a.m. also. He will try everything to make our journey comfortable as well as enjoyable. Then executing his itinerary that he planned is just more than awesome. Like if I tell you that uh, we were we were when we were getting the car, we thought that it will be like Wagonar or anything, but he provided us with Xylo as well as in the later part of the journey with the Maruti Swift Desire. This this uh, this tells you how unexpectable he is. Next, the hotels he provided us was more than extraordinary. Uh, the next thing, the next thing was the way he organized. Since you all know that we are in the Sikkim, and it is an army-owned place, so everything needs to be done on the paper, and you don't have to worry. Arvind is there, and Arvind is a guy whom you can trust. Earlier I also was not no, earlier I also was not having any trust. Means since I was knowing him from my place, so I was like thinking that okay, he will be the guy who will be helping us. But with at the time passes, and with the guides he gave us, the car he gave us, the drivers he gave us, was more than awesome. Let me tell you one more thing. You can't expect anyone who you can't expect any agency, any agent will giving you the surprise. He will give you the surprises. On the day one, when we arrived, we were given the holiday at duck cake, well decorated in the hotel. We were just blown away. Next thing, on the last day of the journey today, let me show you the let me show you the what he has done. He has done this. He has given us the candlelight dinner, buddy. He has made our trip memorable. He just made us trip. He has made our trip, and he has made our trip. Thanks a lot.